Today we have a really long distance to drive, more than 300 kilometers over the mountains. But before driving, we hike up into the Husedalen and we try to visit the 4 famous waterfalls. Luckily, the first one is next to the parking space. We decide to hike along the pipeline, the water pipeline for the power plant. And this decision was a bad one, because on the left side there is a much more comfortable route. As there are so many boulders on the trail, we get up very slow. The second waterfall on that trail is, I assume, the most beautiful here in Norway. But the pleasure is only for a short time, because after a short time of hiking I slipped away on a wet rock and hurt my elbow seriously. Therefore we decided to return and drive to the south, to Jorpeland.